Ex-smokers who successfully quit and have been smoke-free for years now. What did it? I'm probably like a lot of former smokers that tried to quit a number of times before being successful. Then a friend and I were out fishing and he began talking about quitting smoking. He wanted to bet $50 that he could outlast me. Beer drinking and trash talking commenced, and the bet got up to $500. So I am way too cheap to lose a bet like that, and so I went weeks without the butts. My friend came around, admitted that he was back on the smokes and paid up the $500. I was tempted to go back but was feeling so much better without the cigs. Kept it going. Story 2. Drove 10 hours with my father-in-law in the car. He smoked a pipe and inhaled it. At one point, he coughed so hard, he puked out the window. Quit the next day. Story 3. I am 4 years smoke-free. I have a serious mouse phobia. So, when I decided I no longer wanted to smoke, I would force myself to look at picture videos of rodents. My brain quickly started associating smoking with mice.